Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday of September 23, 2021. As you can see that the market sell up on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. They will stop and bow back after the FOMC meeting, and after that the Chinese central bank also inject the cash money into the banking system. That helped the financial market move back up also. So at today, after the market close, the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, they be able to put it back on top of the 50-day moving average. So in the short term, the momentum is trying to push it up. So, but we need more follow through to confirm the uptrend. Because if you look at the chart from since last year, okay, so we still have a strong resistance at this level. So we don't know that they will do a similar formation like last year here. They come down below 50, they come back, they hit back, they fail to break out, and then they come back up and reset again before they can move higher. As you know that the month of September and October will still be a choppy month, so we have to prepare for that. Now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, so that we can see where we're at, and we're looking for some strong talk in those sectors that on the move, so that we can initiate our uptrend trade. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on the evening SP 500. The trend it still look very similar to the September, like I have been mentioned to you for many weeks ago. We do a very similar K like September here, but in the smaller scale here. So they go up, they pull back. Now they try to put it back up. We still have a strong resistance here. Let's see if they're able to break out and continue to the upside. Otherwise, you would do see some a choppy here before they be able to run it back up. Let's see how they going to lay out. Okay, and if you look at the Nasdaq, it's very similar here too. So we come back down, we found support, we put back up, we have resistance there. So in order to continue to go straight up, we have to clear the top here. Otherwise, we're still in the choppy range there. The Dow, it also do a similar pattern here. Pull back down, they hold up, push it back up. So right now in the short term, let's see if they're able to get back there, and then let's see how the market react when they get into the level. The Russell 2000 is still sideways rainbow here. So we have a resistance here, support here. So people buy in the dip here, sell in the tip here. So they will continue to do so until they be able to break out and continue to put it up to the uptrend later. Okay, and if you look at the cool oil try to test the sales on here. So right now it's still very important level. If they can punch through this level here, they will continue to go higher. Otherwise, they will run bound in this area here also. Gold is still continue to push it back down to the downside. So they go down, put it up, down, but overall trend is still bearish. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it also, they found support at the buy zone again. So we need them to clear this area here to continue for the upside. It's the same thing like Ethereum also. They go to the buy zone, found support, buy back up. So they need more work to get out of this area to continue to push it up to the upside. If you look at the sector, some strong sector it still outperform the market right now. That the consumer discretionary it still put it up here. If they can clear this area here, this sector can put it up high. A lot of stock in this sector, they have been doing very well, like the one we mentioned for you on the weekend market forecast. You know, that one Boost ESTY. Okay, so ETSY. Okay, so this one here is still try to put it up. Like BKNG, those stock is very strong. They try to get up and try to clear this resistance level here. So I have to watch out for that. But in the last couple of weeks here, they doing very well here. In terms of energy, it also with the oil price increase, a lot of energy company they are also doing very well, as you can see here. Let me give you a couple of them, like FANG, right? So this one here is still pretty strong, as we mentioned last week. Another one is like LPI. This one that we have been mentioned about 2 weeks ago. Now it's going to go straight up. And CNQ, that's another one. It's still on the move. Or CLR, for example. So those stocks are pretty strong. They continue to rumble to the upside there. If you look at the technology sector, they are still doing well. They try to turn around right now after they found a support and push it back up. So they are very similar to NASDAQ. Let's see how far they can go. But a lot of stock in this sector, the big cap stock, they pull back a little bit, like Apple. But Apple is trying to find a support here and bounce back up. They need to do more work to get back about a 50-day moving average to continue to the upside. If you look at the couple of stocks like, let me see here. Okay, Amazon, it also pull back, found support and bounce right back up. Okay, Google, it also hold tight to the support and put it back up, like I mentioned on Tuesday video. A lot of stock they found support. That's why you see it. They all rebound to the back to the upside. One stock that didn't do well, that's the Facebook, but they are run up too fast here, so they pull back down. Now they are right at support, so we're looking for the confirmation to go long again. If you look at Semiconductor, it's also another strong one in the technology. They are doing extremely well. As you can see here, this sector, they pull back, found support, and then bounce right back up. So a lot of stock in this sector, they are doing very well, as you can see. Okay, like MAT, Applied Material, they will try to put it back up. TXN, a couple of names that we mentioned for you on the semiconductor stock, they are doing extremely well here. Like Texas Instrument, TXN, this one is trying to break out area there and go higher. KLAC, at the KLC 10 core, they are doing very well also there. And VDA and VDA, it also come back very strong today. Okay, so one sector is still a little bit choppy for behind, that's the industrial. This one here, they still ran by the top to bottom, so that's why you see a lot of stock is not moving very well. Basically, they FedEx still have trouble, and the earnings is still go deep to the water right now. It have not returned yet, and a lot of stock in the transportation, in the industrial is still going nowhere. Okay, but one stock that they have potential to find the support and put it back at, that the Caterpillar. Okay, so John Deere, that's another one also. Okay, and so on the financial, after the central bank, they inject the money into the banking system, so the bank gets a big boost there. As you can see that the XLE, it try to put it back out. If they can clear this, this one is not XLF, I'm sorry. So the XLF, it also try to break out here. So it looks like again some momentum to the upside. So every time it, the bank, they smell the money, they try to put it back up. So you can see that a lot of bank stock is doing well today, like Bank America, right? AXP, that though I mentioned for you on the weekend, now they took up the last 4 days. They go straight from here, all 13, 14 point already. And let me see here, ALY, that's another bank, try to put it back up. Many banks, they try to turn around right now. Okay, so if you looking at the one more, that's the XLV, which is the healthcare and bio sector, they also try to find a support here and put it back up. They still have some work here to do, but a lot of stock in this sector, they are also doing very well, like ALKS, this one here, it's very good, very strong momentum to the upside. Okay, mRNA, that's another vaccine stock, it's still pretty strong. At WAV, So this one is also very strong too. ALXO, so the stock I mentioned earlier, is still on the move. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick the best stock every week and analyze them in detail with entry, stop loss, and a target. And then we hand it to you during the week every time we see the opportunity so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.